Hi, my name is Timeea. I'm the lab coordinator here at Stanley College Mirrabooka for the Diploma of Nursing. Why don't you come on through and I'll show you our simulation lab. This is just one of our simulation mannequins. His name is Juno. We use these mannequins to provide hands-on experience that simulate patient care. Juno here is fully electronic and is controlled by my iPad. Through this we can control heart, lung and bowel sounds as well as his speech.
My leg hurts.
Juno here is crying, which could indicate that he's in some pain. This allows students to appropriately respond. I'm just going to show you a few different features of Juno. Here on his right arm, there are two different sites for a manual pulse. You've got a radial and a brachial pulse just here, as well as the ability to take a manual blood pressure, which you will get readings from. Juno also has a trachea site, as well as a few different stoma sites. And on the left arm here, there are two different intravenous sites that allow for the care and management of intravenous fluids and medication. Some of Juno's other features include his multiple injection sites, including the deltoid. Don't know if you guys can see here. This allows our students to practice their intramuscular, intradermal and subcut injections. Here at Stanley College, we provide lots of practical training, including here in our simulation lab as well as out on placement. So why don't you enrol into our Diploma of Nursing? We'll see you soon.